Hi everybody, this is AirSoap Air back another day with another unboxing and with a cold, so sorry for that. So while laying with my cold, I thought that I needed something to clean the air. And since all of you are new viewers, 99% of you are new viewers, let me explain. I am a germaphobe, highly a germaphobe. So I actually thought of the other day that during the pandemic, there was some things better for me than worse for me. So in my small apartment, I have two air cleaners. What do you call air purifiers? Air cleaners, whatever. I'm gonna show you. And I have two products from AirSoap that I really like a lot, that I use a lot, where I can put my phone and bigger things and smaller things to clean them with UV light. And laying there sick in my bed, sneezing, I just remember that they also have a air cleaner that is called AirSoap. I'm pretty sure, yeah, should be in the description. So let me just unbox this and show you. Here we have the small one that is really good for small items. It's meant for the phone, but I put everything that fits there. This is the old one that I have in my living room. Works just fine, quiet. It has everything except from the remote control or to work with an iPhone or something. So it's an old one, it's not a smart one, but it's really good. And here we have the bigger one that fits tablets. It doesn't fit a keyboard, not the large one anyway, but remote controls, and I put everything in there. Everything that fits, I put in there. Keys, watches, yeah, you name it. If it fits, I put it in there. And here we have the air cleaner that I have in my bedroom. Maybe a bit big, but you can also put it on the wall if you want to. I like it a lot. I like it that I can control it via the app on my phone. It's quiet. So the only downside with this is that it wants me to change the filter even though they are clean. So I'm absolutely happy with my air cleaners because they help me a lot with my allergies. But the thing with the air cleaners with the HEPA filter are that they collect the dust, and I don't think they collect bacteria at all. And then you have to, what I do, I clean them every week, and they are not meant to be cleaned. You're just meant to change the filters like every 6 months or something. But I clean them every week with a vacuum cleaner, etc. And one of them, the Electrolux, goes after hours. So even though I clean it and keep it clean, it's really brand new clean. The app still tells me that it wants me to change the filter, but that's because of the amount of hours I've used it. But the point is that the air cleaners that I have and every other air cleaner with the HEPA filters, they collect pollen, dust, whatever, maybe something with germs, I don't know, and keep it in the filter. What this air soap does is collect it in the collector, as they call it. They don't call it a filter, they call it a collector, and then kills it. I'm guessing with UV, it says something about electronic killing, blah blah blah. But I'm guessing it is with UV light. And the top part of the filter or the collector, you just clean with water. It says you can put it in the dishwasher if you want, but it should be easy just to clean it under the sink, running water. So that I haven't already bought this. I don't understand that at all. So the filter doesn't look to be collecting anything, because it doesn't look like a HEPA filter at all. But it does collect both the same thing as the HEPA filters. And with that I mean pollen and the things that you have in the air. And it also collects germs, and that's the main thing with this one. The main thing for me to buying a third air cleaner. This thing kills germs in the air. And the phone soap thing, and the other thing I also think is called phone soap, kills the germs on my phone and keys and remote controls and everything I put in there. I use them a lot. So I think I'm gonna plug it in and see what it's like. Of course there were another filter. It was already inside it. This is what it looks like on the inside. So filters, filter, 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 filter. And this one is the part that you disassemble and clean the upper part. And that's it. No filters to be replaced. Maybe this one after a couple of years. Now my air is clean, as you can see in a green light. It changes the light depending on the air, orange and red and whatever. So green light is good. So now it's very quiet. I have it on the auto mode. And one thing that is really nice with this one is that I can adjust it via the app. So it also have sort of a cooling effect. So I can use it as a fan. So it really blows air around in my small bedroom. So sometimes it works just like a fan with the cooling effect. This one, I can't really feel that effect. This is the maximum. Yeah, so now. But I'm really happy with it. I think it will be great used as my other soap products. So this is the loudest mode. But you will probably never hear that unless your air is toxic.